Welcome to our lecture today on the topic of the publishing and approval process. Now, once your course curriculum has been completed, the next step is to finalize your course by ensuring that you have completed all of the required items. And we're going to be revisiting some of the content that we skimmed over in one of the prior lectures in terms of the menu within the course development platform, and just to ensure that we have covered all aspects of all of the requirements. And so here, when I reference to your course being complete or your course curriculum being complete, what I mean is that you have recorded the various lectures using your script from the master course roadmap as a guide, and that you have edited those videos or those screencasts, and that they are ready to go. They've been uploaded into the various section within the curriculum portion of your course. And so let's take a look here. This is a blank sample course that I created for reference, but we are also going to be looking at another course that I have completed and already submitted. And so here in our sample course, you'll see on the left the course goals. If you hadn't completed those previously, prior to adding the curriculum, then that's where you would complete it to ensure that that item is complete. And you'll see, once you complete it, you'll see a little check mark to the left of the title once it's complete. Now again, the curriculum, this is where you add the content. You create sections and lectures, or you can just have lectures and not include sections. Here, they've included a section for you, and if you don't want to divide it up, the lectures up into sections, you can eliminate this. So here, they've also added a lecture as an introduction, and you would add more lectures just by coming up with a title here and adding the lecture. And then again, as I said previously, you could add more sections and the title. Now a number will be assigned as you complete them. And again, I'll show you the finished version of one of my courses. And so this is where you add the content. Once you've recorded your videos or screencasts, you will click on Add Content, and you will click on Video, and then you will upload, selecting your files from wherever they are stored and adding them again as video lectures. You'll get notification that it is being processed, and then once it's complete, you will receive an email notification as well. The next item in your course creation page is the course landing page, and we've previously taken a look at the landing page for one of my other courses, the 5 Decisions That Can Transform Your Life. And in this one, again, for example, you would re-include from your master course document or roadmap the course title, the subtitle, the description here, and then select the level for the course, whether it's beginner, intermediate, expert, or for all levels. Select the category, and then also this is where you request a course image if you would like for Udemy to provide that, or you can upload your own image. And so in any event, there are a lot of sites out there that offer images royalty free where you have to just provide credit to the person that provided it, or just really amazing content out there that's both paid and free. So let's go on to the next item, and that is the promotional video. Now, previously I was talking about creating a test video that you submit before you create all of the content for your course. And as I mentioned, it's a time-saving process, because if there are problems with your audio or video quality, you can fix it before you begin recording all subsequent lectures. Now, what I like to do for a promotional video is actually start recording a rough draft of my promotional video, and then use that as a test video, because then I've created content that I'm going to use. And so it's only been, I think, one occasion where I was requested to resubmit the test video after fixing a few things. And then after that, I have been fairly successful. They've only made some recommended changes that I have made. But again, those aren't required changes, those are recommended. And those are usually related, again, to the presentation of your course. Now, this is where you would upload your video here by selecting your file once it's recorded. Now, what I want to do is switch over. Well, let me go back up here. So once you have completed all of these items here, you've entered the course goals, you've completed and uploaded and set up the curriculum, you've completed the course landing page, you would here then, under price and coupons, you would, why is it giving me this message? Here we go. Let's go ahead and view that. Okay, so under price and coupons, you would select the pricing for your course. It goes from $19.99 to $199.99, and you can also offer the course for free. In order to charge for the course, you need to apply to become a premium instructor. It's a fairly easy process where you provide information that they request, and so you go from there. Now, once your course is a paid course, it's prohibited that you switch from a paid course to free more than, I believe, once. And so in any event, these are guidelines that are provided by Udemy, and it's to protect students primarily. And so let's go ahead and look at the coupon creation. So once you have set a price, let's say it's 19, you then can create a coupon once you save it. Okay, it indicates that my changes were saved. And then you can create a coupon, and you create a code for the coupon. And as I said, I'm going to demonstrate it in the course, one of the courses that I've already completed. And then the coupon can be to have someone take the course for free. You can offer it and promote it. A lot of people do that. They promote their course once it's initially launched to get students involved and hopefully receive some positive reviews. Or you can click discounted price, and for example, you would enter here $11.99, for example. And then you can limit the number of coupons that are available. And also you can set a deadline for when the coupon expires. That's all a matter of preference. Let's go back to automatic messages here on the left. And here for automatic messages, this is where you create the welcome and the congratulatory messages for your students. Now let's pop over to the other course. This is one of the most recent courses that I've published. It's a motivational course on focus and passion, and primarily related to goal setting. And if you look at the left, or at the curriculum here, you can see here that it has 8 lectures. And if I wanted to add lectures or sections, I could do that. But let's take a look here at, for example, lecture 3. I've uploaded a video. I can unpublish it temporarily if I'm fixing something. But the students, once students are enrolled, you want to make sure you have as much, that you have the content available for the course. And you can always make corrections and then re-upload a lecture if you need to do that. But in any event, here we have a video. I can preview it. And let's go ahead and skip down to some of the other sections. I previously mentioned and discussed the landing page. We've got the course title, subtitle, the course description, which I copied from the Master Course Roadmap, and then the image for the course, which I used from a site that I like that has really great content. And then also we have the promotional video that was recorded. And so this again is featured on your landing page. Okay. So again, once all of the various sections are completed, then you will be able to click, when you're in the course creation mode, here on Submit Course for Review. It typically takes approximately 2 business days for your course to be reviewed, after which you should receive feedback, and then you can make any necessary corrections or improvements that are recommended. And once your course is live, you'll be notified.